I think time has now come to know that woman is incomplete without a man is a wrong notion. The word woman is derived and designed around the word man. This is the signature of a thought process adopted by a patriarchal society which till last century did not allow the women the democratic right of voting in many of their countries. It is to be noted in our part of the world and civilization, it was always the woman who was considered worshipable and respectable as Matru Shakti. Mother is the ultimate symbol of security for us, and she gives security by giving us all kinds of nourishment that we can desire, be it food, be it literacy, be it morality, be it wisdom, or be it refraining from violence, depravity, or any departure from Manovachit Sheel. It is to be noted that the mightiest of warriors and devas had also to beseech and invoke the Shakti of Mother to effectively engage and neutralize the Asuri Shakti that are traditionally supposed to be breaching the rights of people to have peace in their real lives. Peace has a connotation of live and let live, which till date in 2000 years of post-Christ history has not been able to ensure the security of the victims of violence. Therefore, the basic value that the Matru Shakti imparts is to destroy violence rather than to compromise with it. Devi Shakti is the essential power of Matru Shakti to destroy evil for sustenance of peace in all walks of life. Peace is synonymous with tranquility, calmness, and peace and unity go together. The foundation of peace begins at home. The values and virtues are to be nurtured. That is why we say that when there is turmoil at home, there is a spillover in society in the form of unrest. Therefore, this concept of mother and motherhood and Matru Shakti needs to be nourished and for the all-round development of a nation, so that ultimately each one is responsible and knows the value of all-round peace.